Guys, it's Lala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You probably know by the title, I'm showing y'all how to do some Fortnite races. So first, your hand like one to the car. Put right now. Other one too. And one elbow on. Over. Just blow like this. Kind of open your mouth. Kind of still fully open it. Two noises. So that's mostly it. How do you do Fortnite? Oh, pleasure. Doing a giveaway of Philadelphia East. So everybody like it up. Let's get 30 likes. Comment below your favorite color. I'll give your favorite color, yeah. The first 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Ones that comment, get these. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram should be just type in Lala. I had all of them that pop up for me. And then send me your address. I'll mail these to you. First 10 people that comment. No, actually I'll pick 10 random people. That's my problem. First 10 people will get these. Some people will get the same. Some people will 5 people. Okay. 6 people will get these. 6 people. 4 people will get these. That's going to be the giveaway for today. Let's try to get 15 subscribers. And I don't know what I said before, but let's change it up to 25 likes. And that'll be the end of the vlog. Bye.